Listen up, there's no magic trick to instant wealth, but there's a way to grow rich faster and with way less headache. And today, I'm showing you exactly how. This isn't some fairy tale. This is your real world shortcut to building serious income the smart way, not the hard way. Welcome to CentSense, where we break down money mindset and smart moves to help you grow wealth without the overwhelm. Here's the paradox. Laziness, real laziness, is actually strategic. The smartest entrepreneurs don't chase hustle. They ask, what's the highest return path with the least effort? That's the key today. Finding the laziest way that's actually the smartest. And to crack the code, we're going to score popular online business models across 5 brutal criteria. Upfront Capital. How much cash does it take to launch? Scalability. Can revenue grow without grinding more hours? Fulfillment ease. How easy is delivery once someone buys? Risk. What's the damage if it flops? Difficulty. Is it beginner-friendly or a coding nightmare? The perfect model? Low cash, low risk, low complexity, but high scale and smooth fulfillment. Let's break down the contenders. Dropshipping. Cheap to start, but it's ad spend roulette. You burn cash testing products. Fulfillment delays, refund drama. It's chaos. Agencies. SMMA solid for cash flow. No inventory, no products, just sell services. But each new client equals more hours. You'll plateau fast unless you hire a team. Software. High reward, but sky-high risk. Unless you're sitting on $50,000 plus in a dev team. Plus, you're on the hook for updates, bugs, and user issues forever. Affiliate marketing. Great margins, low startup, but the catch? You need an audience. Building trust, content, consistency. It's a full-time job in disguise. All decent, but none of them check every box. Now here's the smart shortcut. The business model that quietly checks all 5 boxes is Digital Products 2.0. This isn't your grandma's PDF ebook hustle. This is modern, AI-powered, automated digital income. Let me show you why it wins. Upfront capital? $100 to $200 max. Platform fees, a few tools, maybe a mic or camera if you're fancy. Scalability? Infinite. You build once, sell forever. Whether 10 or 10,000 people buy, you're not working extra. Fulfillment? Completely hands-off. Buyers get instant access. No packages. No emails. Nothing for you to manage. Risk? Practically zero. You're not buying inventory or blowing ad budgets. Difficulty? Easier than ever. AI helps you research, write, outline, script, even build your landing pages. Want to teach drawing, coding, finance, or productivity? There's an audience for everything, and today's marketplaces handle half the work for you. In 2025, you don't need to be an expert to launch a digital product. Can't make a course? AI can build 70% of it. No audience? Platforms bring the traffic. Camera shy? Voiceover and slides are more than enough. Once it's live, it runs on autopilot, and one solid product can pay you for years. So, if you're tired of trading time for money, and you're ready to build income that grows while you sleep, this is your next smart move. If this helped, tap like and subscribe. CentSense is where real-world money advice meets practical action. No fluff, no hype, just smart tools to build wealth without the burnout. I'll see you in the next one. Let's build smarter. Let's go.